with the fistula since from last 6 years. The first time there was a small pimple, I think, near the anal region. I was working in US at the time, and I consulted a physician over there. They did not diagnose it as a fistula, and I was not referred to any proctology doctors over there. I even consulted not because of the fistula, but during my annual checkup with the gynecologist, I have shown that to her as well, but even she could not diagnose it as fistula. I didn't have any pain, but the initial treatment was done, antibiotic was given, but the pimple was still there, like a large lump near that area. It did not give me any pain. I recently traveled to India for a vacation, during which I got another pimple close by to the anal region. That is wherein I had to go to the proctology doctor in my city. Dr. Shanta Patil actually is her name. She diagnosed it properly as fistula, and then she said surgery is the only option. Since I had to go back to US, I was mainly looking for quick recovery. Since there was no facility in my city for the laser surgery, she recommended me to Dr. Ashwin Porwal. The first meeting with Ashwin Porwal was very good. He explained in detail what fistula is, how it forms the branches, and how it has to be treated, and all the different technologies that he has offered. I basically done some research by going to the Healing Hands website. That's wherein I got basic ideas of what kind of treatments are available and what is best for me. So then I decided to get this laser DLPL surgery done. As Dr. Ashwin Porwal said, it was a one-day surgery, and then I got discharged the next day. It was good because it's, you get discharged the next day. Who wouldn't want to go to home after the surgery? Staying in the hospital for long days is a pain, and I was happy for that. And I followed all the instructions that the doctor has given me, post-surgery and follow-ups after that. And I'm glad that I came to Healing Hands. It's great here. The staff is great, the doctors are great, the nurses are great. They're helpful, they're polite, and they're patient when they ask questions and they answer it properly. Yeah, I'm happy that I came here and got my treatment done. Thank you.